कर दे. Good morning guys. So we are at Kochi right now. अभी हम लोग को चेकआउट है. We'll go to कोयम्बतूर. बट ये सब तो बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन है. मैंने इसके लिए व्लॉग स्टार्ट नहीं किया. So it's been like 4 days since Abhijit has been getting consecutive escalations on his office laptop, and finally Abhijit has opened his office laptop to he'll explain it better. We'll see what he's doing. What are you doing, bhai?
Hi guys. So I have 2,280 points in my Zozo day. So ignoring all the escalations, everything else, I've opened Zozo day to redeem it so that we can roam better, move better.
Now all of the rest of the group has gone to work. Rather than continuing here at Kerala, हम लोग सोच रहे we'll have a trip to Coimbatore, see a bit of Tamil Nadu also, so that मेगा की शादी के ही बहाने से 2 स्टेट एक बार की कवर हो जाएंगे. So this is a very bad habit that me and Abhijit have. Whenever our friend gets married, we, rather than focusing on the marriage, we focus on the potential opportunity of trip. When Harshita got married at Dehradun, we explored Dehradun, Mussoorie, Rishikesh. Now our dear friend Megha got married at Guruvayur. We are exploring Alleppey, Palakkad. That is the other vlog, Kerala vlog. If you haven't seen, you can check it out. But now from Kerala, Cochin, we're going to
Coimbatore and going to have a great time there. Let's see if we find a marriage there. We'll try to
extend the trip.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you Megha for sponsoring this vlog. Our checkout time is 12 o'clock. अभी it's 12:05, but Abhijit thought the lighting here is good, so एक बार आप लोग को पूरा प्लान बता देते हैं कि कोयम्बतूर में हम करने क्या वाले हैं. Come here. She just called to vacate the room, but he thought the lighting makes.
Who cares? Who cares?
Who cares is the
No
first.
one cares. So day 1, October 7. Today we'll be going to Isha Foundation, and we'll be driving through Veliangiri foothills, palm groves, paddy fields, so on and so forth. And we'll be going tomorrow to Valparai Scenic Circuit. Day 3 would be Nilgiri toy train. We don't know if we'll take toy train.
We should, but you have to give us some time.
Let us know, and then let's see. Maybe always a good plan is that you don't have a plan.
But we are not like those people who don't have a plan.
स्पॉइलर अलर्ट, जो भी हमने प्लान डिस्कस किया हमने बिल्कुल भी वो फॉलो नहीं किया है. सो नाइदर वी स्टार्टेड आवर ट्रिप विद ईशा फाउंडेशन. एक्चुअली दैट वाज द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रिप, नॉट इवन कवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो. नाइदर एनी ऑफ द थिंग्स सेड इन दिस एंटायर आइटिनरी इज समथिंग वी फॉलोड. ना हम टॉय ट्रेन गए. सो या, दैट इज हाउ वेल वी प्लान. बैक टू द वीडियो.
So guys, we are now at the Kerala Tamil Nadu border. We are asked to sign a paper with his name now.
टैक्स रिकवर 500 रुपीस लड़की बा
500 रुपीस.
गाड़ी ले लेते, परमिट नहीं रहेगा तो.
हाँ, गाड़ी लेके जाएगा. कोर्ट, मद्रास कोर्ट, चेन्नई कोर्ट.
गुड मॉर्निंग, दिस इज डे 2 एट कोयम्बतूर. yesterday हम लोग ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाए बिकॉज द स्कैम हैपेंड विद अस एंड वी वर फुल्ली इन्वॉल्व इन इट. विल एक्सप्लेन टू इट, उसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे. बट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू नीलगिरी टी विच इज़ इन कुन्नूर. यहाँ से 2-3 घंटा लगेगा. स्टार्टेड ऑफ अर्ली, हैड आवर ब्रेकफास्ट. लेट्स गो
बॉयज, वन लाइफ.
movie called Kapoor and Sons. It is actually shot in Ooty, and it's a very aesthetically cinematic movie. And the reason why it is so pleasing is because Ooty is such a clean city and a place, but they are maintaining it that way now. Our car got entirely checked, and after the checking of the car, they saw whether we have plastic bottles, liquor. We were told to dispose all the plastic bottles. So, like, the only intent of sharing this is we always feel that some places are naturally beautiful and well, but we often forget the effort that is taken to keep those places.
So currently we are climbing up the Nilgiri tree plantation, but Abhijit received another escalation. I think yesterday we started the vlog with the escalation, now he received another escalation. So he's addressing that, and I mean it's good that he's receiving constant escalation, because at least for that brief moment of time he gets to address the office, he gets to extinguish the fire there, and I can address the vlog. Because if both of us are in the car, we just keep laughing, having fun, talking, so we both forget that we have things to address too. So yeah, excited to go up there. अभिजीत, अगर आप वेकेशन पे हो, ठीक है, एंड योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड सेज दैट डोंट एड्रेस वर्क, दे आर नॉट योर टू फ्रेंड, वो लोग बस उनके मतलब के लिए, उनका फन स्पॉइल नहीं होना चाहिए इसलिए बोल रहे हैं कि आप काम एड्रेस मत करो. ऑलवेज एड्रेस ऑफिस वर्क ऑन वेकेशंस, बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट देन यू माइट गेट एस्केलेशन. लाइक अभिजीत, उसने अभी 4-5 एस्केलेशन मिस किए. ही इज इन.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So there were 46 points, out of which 23 have closed. No. How can we say it has reopened, ma'am? Give me reasons, no? Okay. Not in an Excel sheet. I'll work on that Excel sheet tonight. So I'm at the hills right now, but I'll go back home soon and I'll work on that Excel faster. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
It's been 20 minutes,
Oh, wow.
but that call, they just told him that
Yeah.
we need you for 5 minutes, and that 5 minute of office
But
call
ma'am,
is still
right now
going
I'm
on.
Vacation, no? Okay, I'll work on
चल
that
यार,
Excel.
अभी जाना है भाई.
I'll work on that Excel. Yeah. Right. I had some plans, but okay. But when do you need it? Okay, you needed it half an hour. Right now I'm okay. Okay, ma'am. I'll call you back in some time. Okay. Yeah, please send me those points. I'll work on it. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Yeah, Abhijit here. Abhijit Albal. Yesterday, the Agoda thing happened with us.
403. Yeah, tell me.
403, yeah, the Agoda refund thing. Yeah, we are getting calls. We are still getting calls from some number, and they are asking for our confirmation and everything. So I wanted to just
No, what I'm
yeah.
No, you just tell them the booking got cancelled, so we are not in Royal Castle. You
Sir,
have to tell like that.
Right. So what they are saying is, please listen to me. They are saying that we are from Fab Hotels and we want to know your tenure of stay and room number. So something like the same yesterday also happened. He asked us whether we are from, he is from Fab Hotel, and just this is the call to confirm. So that is when we confirm that yes, we have booked, and then it got cancelled at your end. So I just wanted to call you and say that if some cancellation happens, it's not from us. Okay.
Okay.
We are not intending to cancel any booking. We are here and staying with you. So like you just please inform us if there's something like this you receive. Please call on this number. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. No issues.
Okay, sir. Sir, as of now, you didn't receive any call, right? Anything?
No, I did not receive any calls.
Yeah. And now you can, sir, let me know what you wanted to say. That you were saying, right? If we receive call, what should we say?
That you are not staying here.
Okay.
Just tell like that.
Okay. We'll say that we are not staying here. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay,
Perfect.
sir. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
sir.
sir. Thank
Good
you
day.
for
Take
Thank you,
care.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye,
sir.
bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Sir, this is our new restaurant, Hotel Kunur, Bedford Ramachandra. This is our famous restaurant. We have a branch in Kunur that is opened in 1963. This is recently opened. We have 6 months, 6 months old this one. We have nice Wellington parota and chicken biryani, mutton biryani. We have nice service in everything. We are taking under catering order, outside order also. Last 50 years we have in the field. So we give you good food and good service in the restaurant. Please make sure see these videos, you follow ours. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
It's nice.
Wonderful food, wonderful service.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, send us the
So this is Shrija ma'am, and she gave us excellent service. She gave us good order recommendations, good service. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am. So we just finished having our lunch, and as you saw, Shrija madam was very good. Abhijit has written 9 to 10 lines of feedback for her on Google review. I think he'll read it for us. Read.
Read it out. 1 minute.
We just ate one parotha, one biryani, and this is the review that he's written for that order.
We had a lovely meal here. Tried egg parota, egg biryani, and paneer chilli. But what really made our experience memorable was Shrija, who attended to us with so much warmth and big smile. She was super sweet, quick and attentive, making sure we got everything on time and just the way we wanted. Her friendly nature and prompt service added a lot to our dining experience. Definitely visiting again and hoping Shrija serves us next time too. Everyone, Anna? 100? Okay, sure.
Sir, once check all other tire also, because we have to go to Ooty and then back to Coimbatore. हिंदी आता है? Konjam. Seri.
Namaskar everyone. We are at Apollo Tires, which is Shanti Tires at Ooty, Kunnur. Okay. And with us we have Rajesh. Thank you, Rajesh sir. And we have a big Roomba puncture here. And Everdo sir, how much?
100 rupees.
100 rupees only. So one very good thing, we thought we'll be stuck here in Ooty in Kunnur, but because Apollo Tires, because Shanti Tires is here, we are not going to be stuck. We can still roam a lot, and we are going to check all the tires and just see so that the next travel is smooth and great.
Thank you.
So thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you, Rajesh. So those are the two people who are authorized to give tickets to this pine forest. There's a lake. It got closed. We'll see what other plans are there, but without plans also, Ooty and Kannur, even if everything is closed, the weather here, like the way you feel, the people here, it is so good. It is an experience in itself. So yeah, we are all happy. All matlab मैं और अभिजीत we'll deboard now. We'll go back to Coimbatore. इससे पहले कि रात हो जाए and the ghats get a bit dark. And we'll try to explore areas around Coimbatore. And these things we'll plan for tomorrow. Yeah, we'll have a better plan tomorrow. Let's see.